Philippine flag. This is a major symbol of independence and sovereignty, and it is loved by every Filipino. The three golden stars represents the three major island groups, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. The golden sun symbolizes independence.
Bahay Kubo, the National House. Bahay Kubo, also known as the Lipa House, it represents the simplicity and humility that are core values in Filipino society.
Arnis, national game. Arnis is a symbol of the Filipino people's long history of independence and resilience. It showcases traditional martial practices and cultural values, contributing to national identity and pride.
Our national tree is the sturdy and durable, which symbolizes the Filipino people's indomitable strength, spirit, and pride.
The mango is not just the national fruit of the Philippines. It is also one of the most beloved fruits among Filipinos. Locally, we call it mangga. Its heart-shaped form and golden yellow color when ripe symbolize the golden heart of every Filipino, reflecting the kindness and warmth deeply embedded in our culture.